Morning, everybody. Stuart here. First trading day of the month and the week, and the outcome of the G20 was very positive, both politically and economically for the US. I think is my take on things. The Chinese have agreed to reduce tariffs on car imports, auto imports, which is a big sticking point for the President Trump, that is, and also soybeans as well. They agreed to take more US exports. As far as the US are concerned, they've said they're not going to increase tariffs, the current tariffs at 10% up to 25% on the 1st of January. That's gone away now. And also new tariffs on new products like laptops and mobile phones, as that's disappeared as well. But the deal is literally a 90-day truce at the moment. So markets initially rallied. Here the dollar yen's an interesting one. It rallied. Dollar initially rallied on open last night, and the gap has now been closed overnight as the dollar's weakened, and it's weakened against particularly against the Europe, EM currencies and the euro as well. So here we rallied up to 13.75 again, and then come back down. We're at 13.46 this morning with a big support here for the dollar yen at 13.40. Cable remains very much in focus. It rallied up here this morning. We moved down over the weekend. There was reports of not a report, but a minister resigned, another minister resigned, and pressure remains on Mrs. May. The vote looks very unlikely it will get through Parliament, and so the outcome could be a vote of no confidence in the government, which is what the opposition party has said they will table over the weekend as well. But pounds gained against the dollar here. I'll say lots of currencies have as well. So back over 128 and rallying so far, and we've got a resistance here at 128.40. Euro also on the bid, big gap here this morning, back to the key 13.85 we talked about last week, and then 1400 if this gain is going to hold, so back over its 200 period. So early days, obviously. Monday morning, start of the new month. We've got manufacturing PMIs this morning out of Eurozone and the UK. This afternoon we've got the American and Canadian ones, and also a whole list of Fed speakers on the slate this afternoon as well. Big moves has really been the Aussie, the New Zealand, and particularly oil. Oil's moved nearly, that's a daily one, seems to, and you see it's turned over back over this key 9-day moving average here on the daily chart. But intraday we've moved close to 5%. We gapped up on open on news that Saudi and Russia have come to some sort of gentleman's agreement through the 200 period moving average here on the 1 hour chart, and run up to 53.75, and we're holding 53.50 at the moment. So a big bid for oil ahead of the key meeting, key OPEC meeting on Thursday the 6th. Big week ahead. We got Powell, got another speech from Jay Powell, and then obviously NFP on Friday, but more on that as the week transpires. So trade carefully, and we'll see you all this afternoon. All the best. Bye-bye.